Hi College Now students, I am here to give you a quick tutorial on how to register for your Psych 102 class. My name is Beth Wheeler and I'm the Director of Concurrent Enrollment at Front Range Community College, the Boulder County campus. And just a really quick note, you are associated with the Boulder County campus. The instructor, Ms. Mallon, who is teaching your course, also teaches at the campus sometimes. So wanted you to know what campus you're associated with since Front Range has 3. So let's get down to registering for your course. If you could go to the Front Range homepage at frontrange.edu. From here, click eWolf. You'll need your S number and your password. If your password isn't working, you can give this reset password link a shot. And you should have set up some security questions when you first registered in the fall, so go through those questions and you can reset your password from there. And if you're still having trouble with that, I'll give you my email information at the end of this video so you can contact me and I can help you to get your password reset. All right, I'm already logged in, so I'm just going to pop over into this tab, and from this point we're going to click on AddDrop, and it sometimes does ask you to re-log in, so just give me a second to do that. Sorry. All right, so when you click on AddDrop, you probably were taken to this screen immediately. You are registering for spring 2020. Yes, you do have to register for your course again, even if you were in Psych 101 last semester. You are in a new semester, new course, you have to register for the course. So click Submit under Select Term, and at this screen you are going to enter the following number, 62740. I'm going to repeat that for you since it might be hard to see on the screen. 62740. Once you have that in there, this is the code for the course. You can put it in this box on the side as well. I just wanted to make sure you could see it in my video. Click Submit Changes. I'm not going to do that because I'm not registering for the course. But once you click Submit Changes, the screen will refresh, and you'll notice at the top around this area that you'll see a line that says Web Registered, and it should list Psych 102, Section 280. I just want to check the section number to make sure I'm giving you the right one. Yep, Section 280. So once you get that screen, that's confirmation that you are registered for the class. One quick note, you won't have access to Desire to Learn, D2L, the course management system you'll be using with your course, probably for a couple of hours. So you should log back in and double check that you can get into D2L to access your course textbook and other information syllabus that Ms. Mallon used you to have access to. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. So I'm going to type in this document the course code that I just told you. For registering for Psych 102, you need course code 62740. And my name is Beth Wheeler. You can contact me at the following number or at my email address. If you have any questions about registration, need your password reset, if you have a hold on your account, you'll need to contact the college about a financial hold, and if you have a selective service hold on your account, you'll need to register for the selective service to get those holds removed. So please feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Have a great semester, and have a great day, everyone.